Hello lovely people, I am just going to show you a quick screencast how to use your discussion board. So this is your module homepage. If you just scroll down here, I've already got that open, so if you click Site Tools and Discussion Board and click into that, I've created 3 discussion boards, so one around work-based task, one around assignment support and one around general module questions. So to access this, you just click into whichever one you want. So say it's around work-based task. Create a thread. So you might want to write a question is, we've already had an email about this, so how do we share work-based tasks? And the message saying, not sure how you want us to share these tasks. And then what you do is you would click submit. And then that was me, the author. So once you've sent that, I then get an email that tells me that somebody has written something on there. And then I will go on to that and I will reply. Now what you can do is, so in order for me to get the emails, I have to subscribe. So you see that button, you just have to press subscribe. So now I've subscribed to that thread. Every time somebody puts something on there, I'll get an email about it. So it's the same for you. So if you subscribe to it, even if you're not the one writing, you will get an email to let you know that somebody's put something on that thread. And that is useful, particularly for the, well, for all of them really, but for the assignment support task, because obviously people will be asking similar things around the assignment. So if I were you, even if you never write anything on there, I would go on there and I would subscribe to all of them. So just click subscribe. So you don't even have to put anything ever on there, but you can obviously benefit from what other people have written. So just subscribe to them all. And then if you want to, you can create a thread. And that can be on anything you want related to the question. So that one would be around general module questions. So yes, it's quite a nice way of keeping in contact really. And the problem I have with emails is that when I reply to email, I'm only replying to that one person. Whereas this way, it's more of a shared learning approach in that when I reply, everybody can see my reply and everyone can benefit from that reply. And also you can reply to each other and support each other as well. So it's not just me that can reply, it's also you that can reply as well. So I've set them all up for you, so hopefully you can start